All right, back with another video. We're gonna get a fresh cut today. Troy the barber gonna hook me up. I'm not gonna do the ball fade. We're not going way up top with it. We're gonna do a low ball fade. Y'all want me to get a low fade? I like the ball fade. We're gonna meet in the middle. Is that a specific name for the middle meeting point of that?
Drop fade.
Drop fade. So we're gonna drop fade it.
Drop.
That's what we're doing. Troy the barber, follow him on the gram. What's the Instagram, Troy?
No Turn Products.
No Turn Products.
Online.
All right, boom, there it is. I'm gonna put that in the description also. Smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, turn notifications on. It's free, bro. And let's get it. We're gonna get braided up after this. The whole shebang. We're gonna do the whole thing, Troy. So I'm gonna leave the corners out, brush it down, tape it all the way across, and we're gonna take the sides, and then all that'll be gone. So this what y'all want. Every time, everybody in the comment section talking about, oh, it ain't crispy whiskey. I'm still not putting no razor to my head because I'm not getting down with that. But that's what we doing. Hey, TB3, you just got here? Dang. What's up?
Yo.
Welcome to the party.
What's going on, buddy?
What's going on?
Hey, what up?
I'm hanging in that.
Getting a great haircut today?
What razzle dazzle? Yeah.
We good. Show me.
As y'all see, I'm getting the haircut done first. We almost halfway done. I did not wash the top of my head beforehand. I just came to him and got the size cut, and then I'm gonna go home and wash and blow dry my hair afterwards. And then we're gonna go to the lady, but it's almost finished. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Comment in the comment section. Let me know if y'all like the low fade better or this fade, the version of the fade. I'm gonna bring it. We can chop it up. Y'all want me to try something new? I'll try something new. It's a haircut. Hair grow right back. So we lit.
So you know we got a problem. It always be knocking, so you know we got a problem.
And we out of here. Spin that thing around real slow, dramatic. Look at it. Yeah, the fadey weight. He about to let me see it. Hey, what you think? How you think it look? You know what I'm saying? You like it, you like it, you like it, you love it. What you gonna do? I used to all this hand back in my head.
Huh?
I'm so not even used to
Having that,
having that hair.
Normally you have it way up here.
Right. We're gonna rock around. All right, so we just wrapped up the cut. Well, what's this one called again?
Drop fade.
This is the drop fade. Normally I get the low fade. I call that the Zaddy special. This is the drop fade. I'm gonna call this a little razzle dazzle. We're gonna put a little spin on this joint, let y'all get a close up look at it. But here it go right here before I take it to the lady house and let her braid me up. Real talk. Pill talk. All right, I had to hit y'all with a closer look just to show how it come down. See how my hair come down in the back? That's normally not my style of stilo. That's a lot of hair dropping down in the back right there, almost on my neck bone. Anything gonna look good regardless. It's me. All right, so we in here. The braid game rolling. We about to get a little razzle dazzle going on today. What's your Instagram?
Diamante Designs.
At Diamante Designs. I'm gonna put that link in the description also. And that's it. That's it. She like that, I guess.
Like this.
Yeah, that's dope.
Everything been good?
Yeah, just working and chilling. That's it. Really working. Cutting up. It did get long overnight, didn't it?
It sure did.
I'm gonna put that. Make sure I put that in there.
Like, what is happening right now?
Hold up, wait a minute, hold up. Hey, we finished, but I had to take a second. Look how light your dog eyes look right now. Ooh, the light eyes running my family, they just skipped my ass. They just skipped the hell out of mine, but it's cool. Look close up. This is a little spin right here, man. It's pretty much everything. I came to it ready, blow dried out already. I got the haircut how y'all wanted it. Tell me if y'all like this better or when I bring the fade up a little higher. The braids came out crisp and the forehead always looking lit. This is another angle. Bomb. Damn, it's looking dope up there. And it's another spin win with the bun in the back. Let go.